I've done a lot of premieres. The energy of the carpet can be massive. Cameras flashing, power generators the size of a bus. But tonight is different. Tonight, the only thing powering this is the sun.
We have 500 families living here, 3,000 people. Energy is produced from solar. There is a small boutique hotel here where we provide them with electricity, clean electricity. We have around the city equestrian, horses.
Wow.
You now will see it also. We produce food. We produce energy. We recycle all of our water. We recycle all of our waste.
We're in Dubai, like that. This is in Dubai. There's chickens, that's so cool. That's
We have
very
chicken,
cool.
ducks, donkeys, goats. These are our farming places, the homes. Now we'll go in one of them. We have swimming pools. We have like a gym. This is where we grow food. We grow it from seed to this. So we do the whole cycle. We grow like 40 different types of leafy products. We grow these other things also. And we give to people for free like 8 pots a month.
Hello,
you are the
how are you?
farmers.
Nice to meet you.
We like host these 5 domes and we have a lot of them around here. They grow like plants and vegetables like mint. They have chili peppers too.
Come get like stuff for their like meals and to make dinner with them. They like reuse seeds,
Yeah, yeah.
and then we like replant them.
I love
And
that.
some we also plant in our school.
They take care of them really well, as you can see.
Yes, for sure.
We grow like 500,000 pots a year.
Oh, wow.
To make it economically sustainable, we sell in 80 supermarkets, 80 outlets.
Oh, wow.
So the extra we sell it to make sure that this is economically sustainable.
Yeah.
So we make money to guarantee sustainability.
Will Smith.
Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming out. This is a very exciting day for me. I want to thank Faris for Faris. He's in here. So Faris. What Faris is doing here, along with his family, his brothers and his whole crew in the building, his brothers, his son, his nephews, nieces, everybody. Look up Sustainable City, and if you some of you live here already, but if you don't, it's really amazing what they're doing here. This has been the devotion of the last few years of my life. One of the things that was most powerful for me in this process, other than almost dying every episode, other than that, it was seeing how similar human beings are. As illustrated in these episodes, the answers to our biggest problems are always going to be in our greatest collaborations.
This is our farming area. We allocate plots for people and everyone takes care of one. This is where they socialize. This is why we want the happiest community.
Yes.
We created this kind of, and now you mentioned, it's about people.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how you doing, brother?
Nice to meet you.
Absolute pleasure.
Lovely to meet you,
how are
Lara.
you? Lara, absolute pleasure. This is amazing.
This is,
I love how it feels here.
what are you growing here? Tomato?
Tomatoes. We just did a harvest this morning.
Oh, wow.
We've got some eggplant, aubergine, tomatoes, cabbage,
Cabbage,
lettuce.
love it, love it.
It's our little harvest.
What are we making? What are we making tonight?
Ratatouille.
Yeah, ratatouille.
You got it yourself?
No. I grew up in the city and never learned the gardening thing. Yeah.
How many years you are here?
We've been in Dubai 5 years, in Sustainable City 2 years now.
2 years.
Yes. Yeah.
It's wild and it's in Dubai. At the same time, Dubai does a lot for sustainability.
Yeah.
If you listen to Will's introduction today, I think he really spoke to all of us about those fundamental things. And we can share in those feelings across lots of different perspectives, across many different topics. And Will in Pole to Pole demonstrates that. And so we bring joy, we bring laughter, we bring fear, and we show you all of that, right? And I think every single person here and beyond here can resonate with every single feeling because it's what makes us human.
Tomorrow, I go to the 1 billion followers summit. 3 billion followers represented in one room. I'm gonna tell them about a place where the math actually works.